Welcome back to our channel. For easy learning, do subscribe our channel. Let's start English speaking practice. Hello, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Raj.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from India.
How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
Where were you born?
I was born in Bangalore.
Where do you live?
I live in Bangalore.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you speak English?
I understand English but I can't speak well.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on May 15th.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one sibling.
Do you like the English language?
Yes, I like the English language.
What's your phone number?
My phone number is 4567879087.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 8 a.m.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9 p.m.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is donut.
What are your hobbies?
I love traveling.
What will you do tomorrow?
I will go to the football ground with my friends.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak three languages Hindi, English, and Punjabi.
Where is your sister?
She is watching TV.
What did you do yesterday?
I went to church.
What are you doing?
I am writing.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Do you have any pet?
No, unfortunately, I don't have any pets.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Nice to meet you, Raj. Goodbye.
Thank you. Bye.